In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app and looking for a perfect one for you. When you find it, click on it, hit download and tap on apply. I already have one of those downloaded because it took some time. So I will just pick my downloaded one and hit apply to show you. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going back to Themes app and this time selecting Local at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Local Themes and pick one of those system ones. Then hit apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!